It is the first week of June and here I am. You can see my shadow. I picked the wrong time of day to do this video because my shadow is just everywhere. But I was super excited when I came out and saw that my Gomphrena is starting to put out some little flowers. So I've got a white one here and it looks like a little pink one. And then over here, we've got some straw flower that looks like it's doing really well. Here is a silvery rose straw flower. Look how pretty it is. I had to give it a support because it started to flop over. And I've got two more of the same variety right here next to the bigger one. Hopefully they catch up because the silvery rose color is just so pretty. I need lots and lots of this color. And then over here, I've got some celosia that is doing pretty well. This is gonna be a red one. And then let me just come around on this side over here. This is the Chief Red Flame. And it looks like it's starting to do something. So I'm pretty excited for that. I do have more seedlings inside that I started that I'm going to bring out and transplant pretty soon. And because the soil dries out pretty quickly in this area, I'm going to mulch it in the next day or so. But overall, I'm so excited at how this is coming along.